Angelo!
Namisin na kami. Ayan, syempre may mga nagpo-photo pa. Pero again, thank you so much everyone for being here tonight. We hope you enjoyed our show. Yes, and syempre mag-ingat kayo pag-uwi ninyo. Sa mga hindi pa nag-visit sa booth, you can still visit. And also, you can still order something there kapag gutom kayo.
Yes, may mga food pa po tayo.
Yes.
Dito.
Yan, mamaya tayo mag-bonding.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's end this with a bang. Let's go. Again. Once again, of Kaya Theater.